हेलो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर आपका स्वागत है फिजिक्स वर्ल्ड की क्लासेस में। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, पिछले वीडियो में हमने जाना था लाइट और उसके रिफ्लेक्शन के बारे में, और आज के वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि किस तरह लाइट का रिफ्रैक्शन होता है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को याद है आज कौन सा टॉपिक स्टार्ट होने वाला है?
यस सर, आज आप हमें लाइट के रिफ्रैक्शन के बारे में बताने वाले थे।
तो ठीक है, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Refraction of light.
Why does the pencil bend when immersed in water? What happens to it? Actually, the pencil doesn't really change its form at all. The apparent bending of the pencil occurs due to refraction of light as it passes from air to water. The light bends at the surface of separation of the two media. In fact, any object partly immersed in a different medium will appear bent. Let's examine refraction of light as we saw it in the pencil and look at various terms associated with this phenomenon. The ray of light that is incident on a surface is called the incident ray. The ray that deviates at the point of incidence due to a change in medium is called the refracted ray. The perpendicular line between the two media is called the normal. The angle formed between the refracted ray and the normal at the point of incidence is known as angle of incidence. The angle between the normal and the refracted ray is known as angle of refraction. Let us consider a light ray traveling from air to water. As you can see, the ray of light bends towards the normal. The incident ray and the refracted ray are in the same plane. These observations form the basis of the laws of refraction. The first law of refraction states that when a light ray passes from a rarer medium to a denser medium, it bends towards the normal. When it passes from a denser medium to a rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. As per the second law, the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the refracted ray all lie in the same plane. The ratio of velocity of light in the first medium to that in the second medium is known as the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. The refractive index remains constant for a given pair of media. Further, the ratio of velocity of light in air or vacuum to that in a medium is called the absolute refractive index, mu, of that medium. Wilbrord Snellius, a Dutch mathematician, discovered the relationship between the angle of incidence and the angle of refraction for two given optical media. On the basis of this knowledge, he proposed a law to measure the refractive index of a material. This law is known as Snell's law. According to Snell's law, the ratio between the values of the sine of the angle of incidence and the sine of the angle of refraction for two given optical media is a constant quantity.
तो उम्मीद है आप लोगों को यह ठीक से समझ आ गया होगा।
यस सर, आज हम रिफ्रैक्शन और उससे रिलेटेड लॉज के बारे में समझ गए हैं और यह भी जाना कि किस तरह मीडियम चेंज होने पर लाइट की स्पीड चेंज होती है। थैंक यू सर।
तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में।
और ऐसे ही मजेदार वीडियोस देखते रहने के लिए हमसे जुड़े रहिए
और हमारे चैनल को लाइक
और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।